This is what you need to making clear of before you pay the deposit to renovate your kitchen cabinets. First, color carcass and metal shelf strengthener. This is a must to prevent the carcass to become yellowish and the shelf bend after a long period of time. Next, Blum soft close hinges, which provide you lifetime warranty, which means no more headaches for broken hinges anymore. On the same time, Blum also provides varieties of mechanisms that can enhance your kitchen experience. Next, hybrid solution. By only having stainless steel carcass below the sink, it gives you two benefits. First one, you no need to worry about pipe it start leaking to affect your cabinets. Second, it gives you flexibility on how to design your cabinet. Next, formaldehyde. This is a strong smell that produced by the cabinet itself that will cause discomfort. So choose wisely. You can either choose E1 grade, which contain less formaldehyde, or zero formaldehyde, which is eco NAF. Last but not least, buy more, free more. We have tons of membership for you to enjoy that can benefit you and cut down the cost for your kitchen renovations. So book an appointment and visit our showroom now to get a 2 hours of free consultation and a free quotation for your dream kitchen.